In this video, we will show how to use the gyro in the MakeCode for EV3 editor to stabilize the trajectory of the robot. The gyro is a sensor that measures the rotation rate, which means measures the speed at which the robot is turning. This is very interesting because if your robot is moving straight but then starts to turn, your gyro is going to detect that you're turning and is going to report a positive rotation rate. Similarly, if you're going left, your gyro is going to tell you that there's a negative rotation rate. Let's see how we can use that. As always, when you're using the gyro, it's a good idea to calibrate it. You use the calibrate gyro for that. Next, we're going to want to move the motors B and C at the same speed forward, and we can use the steer motor block for that. Now, steer 0 should go straight, but in reality, motors might be different and your wheels might slip, so the robot might not go straight after all. This is where the gyro comes in. We're going to create a variable called correction to hold our computations. And we're going to get the rotation rate from the sensor. Now, if you remember the computation, when the robot is going to turn right, the gyro is going to give us a positive rate. But what we really want to do is tell the motors to start turning to the left to counter this effect, which means a negative turn ratio. So we need to negate this value to have the correct value. We can go in math and take the multiplication block. And instead of using just a rate, we're going to multiply it by -1 to get a negative value. The last step is to use this variable as a turn ratio of the motors. Let's see how it works with the robot.